Hello children, a very happy morning, a cheerful morning. How are you? Fine. Good. Today I want to ask you something. Tell me, when you are happy, when you go to a picnic, when you don't have to get up early and rush for the school, when you are happy on your holidays, no? So on your holidays you will remain so happy, isn't it? But someone is there who says holiday. Oh no. Let's find out who is that who says holiday. Oh no. Come on, let's find out who says holiday. Oh no. Start. Holiday. Oh no. Our topic is holiday. Oh no. Why? Who says? Are you happy with holidays? No? Let's find out who is unhappy with holidays. Everyone takes a holiday. Everyone takes a holiday. So, the sun also wants one. The sun shines brightly in the sky. Everyone enjoys a holiday. Day and night take holidays. The moon and stars take holiday. Even I need a holiday. So, sun one day demanded, you, me, moon and stars, everyone goes for a holiday. So, I am also tired with my work. So, I also need a rest. So, I need a holiday. Who demanded the holiday? Who demanded the holiday? The sun demanded the holiday. The sun decides to enjoy a holiday. He leaves the sky. There is a darkness everywhere. So finally, sun goes away from the sky. sun चला जाता है स्काई में से. क्यों जाता है? हॉलीडे पे चला जाता है. तो क्या हो जाता है? देयर इज डार्कनेस एवरीवेयर. सब जगह डार्क हो जाता है. समझे बेटा? बर्ड्स आर फ्लाइंग टू कलेक्ट फूड फॉर देयर चिल्ड्रन. सडनली इट बिकम्स डार्क एंड दे कैनॉट सी एनीथिंग. दे फ्लाई बैक होम. देयर चिल्ड्रन स्टे हंग्री टुडे. क्या हुआ पता है? जब सन नहीं था तो birds went to collect the food but they didn't get food. क्यों नहीं मिला उनको अपना खाना? पक्षियों को क्यों नहीं मिला? क्योंकि सब जगह अंधेरा था. अंधेरे में वो कैसे ढूंढते? So they were not able to collect their food. Understood? At one place there is a cricket going on. Due to darkness, no one can see anything. We can't see anything. अगर हर जगह अंधेरा होगा तो क्या आप खेल पाएंगे? आप अपना स्कूल का काम कर पाएंगे? कर पाएंगे? नहीं कर पाएंगे ना. तो क्रिकेट था, गेम्स चल रहे थे, जैसे आप गेम खेलने जाते हो ना. सो देयर वॉज अ डार्क. सो नोबडी वॉज एबल टू सी anything. From high above the sky, the sun is watching everything. From dark above the sky, the sun is watching everything. कौन देख रहा है सब कुछ? कि नीचे क्या हो रहा है? Sun. From high above the sky, who is watching? Sun. Thus, what is the use of a holiday that makes people sad? What is the use of a holiday that makes the people sad? It is good to remain sad or gloomy? No. So, आपको देख के सन उदास हो गए. That my children are unhappy because I am on leave, isn't it? The sun changes his mind. Holiday cancelled. I am going back to work. Sun told. If all are unhappy, so how can I remain happy? आप सब खुश नहीं हो तो मैं कैसे खुश रह सकता हूँ? So finally he changes the mind. Holiday cancelled. I am back to work. मेरा holiday cancelled. I am back to work. Is it followed? Good. You have to underline all the hard word. Okay, followed? The sun is back in the sky, shining brightly. He looks down to see the people happy. The sun smiles and says, holiday, oh no, no. When sun decided that I am going back to work, so he saw everybody in a joyful mood. He was back shining in the sky. He saw everyone was happy because there was light everywhere. He looked down to see the people happy. The sun was also happy to see everybody happy. So finally what he said? Tell me. Yes, got it. Holiday? No, no. The sun smiles and says, what is the use of that holiday? मेरे को ऐसा छुट्टी नहीं चाहिए जब भी आप खुश नहीं हैं तो. So finally he said, for me, holiday, no, no. Holiday, no, no. So to be get concluded, what's the meaning of the lesson? What's the gist of the lesson? कि सन के बिना कोई भी खुश नहीं था. Nobody was happy. There was darkness everywhere. Isn't it? Have you followed the whole lesson? That why the people were unhappy? Because there was darkness. Nobody was getting food, water. Nobody was able to play game. Isn't it? Followed? So hope you have understood the lesson. By the time you learn the hard words and read the chapter. Isn't it? Till then, remain safe. Happy learning. Bye-bye.